ICC International in Maryville, Tennessee, is the leading manufacturer of commutators and slip rings worldwide. We continuously strive to create the best-in-class products using the highest quality materials, state-of-the-art technology, and uncompromised attention to detail. We're the commutator manufacturer that does more. Our clients are more than just customers. They're our partners. At ICC, we know there will always be a need for DC motors, but there will also be fewer of them. Therefore, it is our responsibility to build the best commutators possible for your clients and our industry. To manufacture the best possible commutators on the market, tight, stable, and reliable. To deliver better performance and fewer issues for our partners and their end users every single time. We're not just doing what works, we're investing in what works best. From listening to our partners' needs and being readily available to answer their calls, to how we create the best commutators possible. At ICC International, we improve commutators so that the entire industry can thrive.